Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am in front of CVS. As you guys can see, there are the CVS signs. So I'm going to run in and do a couple quick deals. I'm not going to do my big haul. I guess I could take my mask off since I'm in the car. I'm not going to do a big haul. I'm just going to grab a couple things that I need that are on sale. A lot of them aren't giving back extra bucks, but that's okay. We do have a money maker as well as some free stuff. So we're going to run in, do a couple deals. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Let me know what deals you plan on doing this week so that I don't miss any. And if you think I can save on something else, let me know. So let's head into the store, guys. Alrighty guys, so our first deal is going to be on a Shea Moisture deal, and the Shea Moisture this week is spend $25 on select Shea Moisture hair and body wash and get $10 back in extra bucks. So we're going to concentrate on these Shea Moisture masks, and my store has a couple different ones. They have the deep moisture, the Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Mask. Then they have the virgin coconut oil treatment mask, and down here further they have another mask. One second here, I'll show you that. Okay, and then the other two that they have are these, the Jamaican black castor oil, and all of the masks are $3.79. So I'm going to actually grab 6 of them, okay? And 6 of them is going to come to, we're going to do this math together because you're going to be like amazed by this deal. So we're going to do 6 times $3.79. Actually, I'm going to grab 7 of them because I have to get to the $25 threshold. So if I do 7 of them at $3.79, that's going to be $26.53. Okay, and I'm going to use 3 of these coupons that came out in, I believe it was last Sunday's paper, the Unilever insert. Now I'm only going to use 3 because I only have 3, but it's save $5 on 2 Shea Moisture products. So if I had 4, I would use 4, but I only have 3 because I used a lot of them at Rite Aid last week. Okay, so 7 of them is going to total us at $26.53. And if you minus the 3 $5 coupons, that's minus 15, and then take off the $10 in extra bucks, you're gonna take $25.63 minus the $10 in extra bucks minus the $15 in coupons. That means these are going to be 63 cents out of pocket. Guys, that is amazing, but we're going to make this deal even sweet. So yes, this is going to cost us 63 cents out of pocket, but then I'm going to add in a $4 off 18 hair care CRT. So then that will make this actually a $3.37 money maker. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. I'm going to grab, actually I'm only going to take one of these. So I'm going to put this back. I'm going to take 3 of the raw shea butter, and I'm going to take 3 of the coconut. So there's my 7, okay? Now, we're going to add something else to this deal. So with this deal, actually another deal, there's another deal on Nexus products, and they are buy 3 Nexus shampoo, conditioners, or stylers and get a $10 extra buck. So, and by the way, you can only do the Shea Moisture deal one time, and you can do the Nexus deal one time. Now, I'm going to grab one of these Shea Moisture masks. They're $4.39. Now, pay attention to this deal, guys, because this is actually a coupon glitch. So we're going to make sure that we take advantage of this. So we're going to grab one of these. You can grab any of them that you want as long as they're Nexus. Okay, and we're going to use this $5 off one Nexus product coupon that came out in your Unilever insert, the same insert that your Shea Moisture was in. So we're going to add, we're only going to get one because the register will only take one. I tried 3 coupons yesterday and it didn't take it. So you can only get one at a time. So I'm going to get a total of 3, but I'm going to do 1 in each transaction. And then when you get 3, you're going to get a $10 extra buck. Guys, this is actually going to make this deal a $10 money maker because they're only $4.39. The coupon is for $5. So that is, the coupon's going to adjust down because CVS doesn't do overage. So that's going to make these free by the time you buy all 3, and you have a $10 overage. So I'm going to put this here with our Shea Moisture, and we're going to head up to the register. Okay, guys, so let's go over the receipt. Just to let you know, I put the Nexus back. The coupon beeped this time. I'm not sure, but it went through yesterday, so I'm not sure what's going on, but we'll come back to that deal later. So here you see I have the 7 Shea Moistures at $3.79. I used 3 of the $5 manufacturer coupons and the $4 off 18 hair care CRT. And I paid $7.53 out of pocket. But then you see here that I got back a $10 extra buck. So with that $10 extra bucks, when you minus that with the $7, that makes this a $2.47 money maker. But then I'm going to submit my receipt to Fetch and get some more rewards points for that. So let's go to our next deal. Alrighty, so our next deal that we're going to do is going to be on the Jergens lotion. Now there's no extra bucks with this, and we're still going to do it because we have some gray CRTs as well as some coupons. So I'm going to grab 2 of the smaller ones that are priced at $5.29. That's going to take us to about $10.30. I'm going to use a 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT, and then I'm going to use a $2 off 2 Jergens CRT. So that's going to take $7 off. And then I'm going to use 2 of these $1.50 off 1 Jergens lotion coupons that came out last week. So that's going to be a total of $10 off. So that means we're going to pay like 60 cents for 2 of these Jergens lotions. So let's go ahead and go on to our next deal. Okay, guys, so here is my receipt for the Jergens. You see they were $5.29 each. I used the 2 $1.50 manufacturing coupons. I used the $5 off 2 Jergens CRT, and then the $3 off 10 CRT. And you see the $3 one did adjust down because we didn't need it, and I was 0 out of pocket. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do a Lysol deal. There's no extra bucks with this deal, but I do have a nice CRT and coupon. So I'm going to grab, as you can see, a lot of the Lysol products, just about all of them, are buy one, get one free. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Those are $6.49. So I put 2 of those in my cart. And then I'm going to get the toilet bowl cleaner. Those are $3.19. So I grabbed 4 of those. I wanted to get to a total of 12 because I have a $3 off 12 Lysol CRT. Then I'm going to use 2 of the 50-cent off toilet bowl cleaner coupons and 1 of the Lysol spray cleaners. Now, like I said, I'm not getting back any extra bucks, but I think this is a good deal on the Lysol. And I'll just use the overage that I got from the Shea Moisture to help cover the cost. Alright, so let's review our receipt. Here's my Lysol. So you see the sprays were $4.41, buy one, get one free. The toilet bowl cleaner was $3.19, buy one, get one free. Then I used 2 50-cent manufacturer coupons on the toilet cleaner and a 50-cent manufacturer coupon for the Lysol spray, and then $3 off 12, which brought my total down to $8.37 out of pocket. Okay guys, so this is my CVS haul for the day. I told you it wasn't going to be a big haul. I just wanted to come do a couple deals for things that I really needed. I'm going to actually come back tomorrow and do my big haul. But after the money maker from the Shea Moisture, that helped pay for the Lysol. So the Jergens was free. So altogether, this was $5.90 out of pocket, which I'm totally okay with. So that was $5.90 out of pocket for 15 items. So that's like 38 cents, 30-some cents per item. That's pretty good, guys. I'm happy with that. So I will see you guys tomorrow with my big haul. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so. Hit the bell next to the subscription button so you don't miss out on any deals. And let me know if you're going out to do any of these deals or if you've already done them. Maybe I missed some savings. But until the next time, guys, keep on saving.